Packaging is the world of innovation in the fields of developing the properties of materials recognized in packaging, and the world of innovation of new materials through multi-chip packages of different materials, one of which enhances the characteristics of the other or find new materials with the engineer-man seafood industries and modern packaging M2Pack. M2Pack products for packaging and engineering industries are strong products such as the name its carry. The name means quality and performance is the best guide. And the new we have so you can add a CD in which we explain how to use the product and all its information, and if you are looking for an opportunity to attract the attention of the public and don't worry about, so we have many of the latest technical solutions for the finest and latest packaging methods in Egypt and the Arab world. Engineer Mansi Company, M2Pack, is working in several directions with the sole aim of serving Egyptian manufacturers and producers, providing all the necessary requirements for factories in this field. And what distinguishes Engineer Mansi for packaging and engineering industries, M2Pack, from other companies is the existence of bonds of mutual trust between us and other companies, which creates a real atmosphere of honest competition, which in turn leads to provide an ideal product for customers, and we work at your convenience and providing you with the highest level of efficiency and guarantee of products and the provision of spare parts with the possibility of manufacturing as requested by the customer with full readiness to meet large orders. We are Engineer Mansi Company for engineering industries and modern packaging, M2Pack, one of the first pioneers in the field of packaging in Egypt and even the Arab world, so we have drawn the experience of our predecessors and we have added to the experiences of the former our own experiences that give the consumer, whether Arab or foreign, consumer data required to take the decision required in the light of the indicators shown, including the issue of prices and quality. Engineer Mansi Company for packaging and engineering industries, M2Pack, always seeks for making every effort to keep up with the latest advanced technologies in the world of packaging to keep pace with global industrial development, and our company, M2Pack, adopts the best quality and imported materials suitable for public health. Engineer Mansi Company for packaging and engineering industries, M2Pack is a national company that provides every innovator of modern technologies to the people of the country to achieve the difficult equation that lies in the quality of the product and competitiveness of prices, and then break into export prospects to various parts of the world. We are convinced that the people of Egypt, with their ideas, minds, innovations and strength of their will, have the ability to have a strong presence among the countries of the industrialized and technologically advanced world. This is the vision of Engineer Mansi Company for engineering industries and modern packaging, M2Pack, to keep our local industries in line with those in the developed world, and to move towards the prospects of global competition in the field of food industries, and to become our local industry an active figure in the national economy. So our goal is to upgrade the local industry in the field of cosmetic industries. In every produced work there is an effort exerted by a distinguished and specialized team and has creative ideas. Proud of each of the majestic companies such as Engineer Mansi for packaging and engineering industries, M2Pack. So in this context, we were able to provide the Engineer Mansi Company for modern packaging and engineering industries, M2Pack, all the necessary requirements for the packaging process, and thanks to Allah, the needs of the local market were covered. The importance of the packaging sector is that it is an important and complementary part of all goods, so the packaging industry plays an essential role in all industries without exception, and its importance is based on the fact that it represents the link between the producer and the consumer. The packaging sector is an integral sector for all other industrial sectors, but it is an integral part of some food, pharmaceutical and chemical industries, so Engineer Mansi Company for modern packaging, M2Pack, strives to search for all that is useful and distinctive. Engineer Mansi Company for packaging and engineering industries, M2Pack, is unique in providing a branding service for the newly established companies. So dear customer, please make your brand reflect your business attributes, and our technical support team provides you with assistance so that you can transform your idea into a physical and concrete entity, a true design and a brand you are looking for. Just contact us and ask about the rest of the integrated services provided by our company. The modern group M2Pack for packaging seeks to increase the competitiveness of the Egyptian industry on the one hand and improve its productivity on the other by participating in the formulation of public policy for industry and participation in industrial development and its evolution. And in this spirit, Engineer Mansi Company for engineering industries and modern packaging, M2Pack, always adopts all short and long-term policies in order to reach the desired goal, which is the complete satisfaction of the company and the customer for the finished product manufactured. Engineer Abdul Salam Al-Mansi, the owner of Engineer Mansi Group for Packaging and Engineering Industries, Toback, is pleased to raise this question based on its constant concern for the health of the beloved Egyptian consumer, and the question is how to achieve the concept of social justice by protecting the consumer from exploitation in an open market without supervision and a market filled with poor and anonymous products, some of which are doubtful cheap and some are harmful to health. Egyptian consumer in need of real protection. How to achieve? By raising awareness of his rights and guidance on how to identify the poor products and continuation of our continuous care for the Egyptian consumer rights and Engineer Mansi Foundation for Packaging and Engineering Industries, Toback, to introduce the concepts of consumer protection in the curriculum, and raise the awareness of citizens through carefully designed media programs that can communicate with all categories and ages of citizens to inform them of their rights and to avoid falling into the clutches of misleading ads, with the presence of means of communication and trained cadres to discuss their complaints and resolve through communication through our website www.mtoback.com. We are Engineer Mansi Company for Modern Packaging and Engineering Industries, Toback. Have a great deal in spreading the pioneering culture by enriching, as we are Toback Company, the Arab library with a wide sector of culture along the same lines, and we are Engineer Mansi Company for Modern Packaging and Engineering Industries, Toback, offer our various products that are characterized by international quality with high tech and high level, using the best local materials and imported according to customer needs. There is no irreplaceable person, but there are noble values that are difficult to find in many people as well as companies such as those born giant such as Engineer Mansi, Toback, for Packaging and Engineering Industries. Therefore, we are very happy to extend to our customers the most sincere thanks to you for your constant encouragement to purchase our products and our demand for them, so that makes us more determined to continue the production process to produce more new and distinguished machines. We are Engineer Mansi Company for Modern Packaging and Engineering Industries, Toback. We do it now and we work hard day and night, and our goal is clear and certain, is to strengthen the structure of the cultural construction of Egyptian and Arab alike, because those who give up their Arab identity give up their future. So the dream of opening up Arab-Egyptian industrial markets with Engineer Mansi Groups of Modern Packaging and Engineering Industries, Toback, has become something that can be achieved. With us, your dream has become a reality. With us, we make what you imagined of the impossible has become something tangible in your hands, and from this point of view, Engineer Abdul Salam Al-Mansi honors to dedicate these tremendous achievements to the team of experts and specialists, in addition to the effort of the distinguished constellation of workers who receive their training in the latest international technologies through the training grants provided by Engineer Abdul Salam Mansi, owner of Engineer Mansi Companies for Modern Packaging and Engineering Industries, Toback. For all those who show a tangible superiority and excellence of these workers, the men and honorable men of Egypt. So congratulations to Egypt with the first industrialist, Mr. Abdel Salam Mansi, owner of the largest modern packaging companies and engineering industries. Innovation by Engineer Abdel Salam El Mansi for packaging services is synonymous with keeping our organization ahead of the competition. We intend to continuously develop our operations and services, as well as offering our successive innovations of new products to play the best timeless symphonies witnessing the flourishing era of packaging. Every successful company has its own principles, and we are a group of companies for modern packaging, Toback, strongly believe that cultural differences are a source of strength and encourage people to communicate their ideas and talents in order for them to contribute to the overall success of the company, so that we create a work environment that enables every employee to reach his or her maximum potential. Engineer Mansi for Packaging and Engineering Industries, Toback,